Alrighty, Jesse, here's your small block Ford 347. Your description is a combination. Got some of our As Cast heads. Got the March blacked out front end on it for you. Got some grind hydraulic roller, Edelbrock manifold, MSD Pro Billet. Got the blacked out cooked fuel carburetor. Wanted to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Oak doke, 3,400, 404 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 430, peak horsepower 422, rated at 425, front end's about 15, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. Receiver engine point, this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs down the video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you to some other tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this. Have a great day.